Hey, getaway. Alex here in front of one of the supermarkets, and we're gonna check out prices and the variety of one particular supermarket here in Buenos Aires. So stay tuned for that information.
So what to expect from this video: we're gonna browse around, I'll show you the variety, the prices, and then at the end of the video we're also gonna see, I'm gonna break down my basket, what I actually purchase, and we're gonna go through each and every position. And also there's gonna be a couple of clips or inclusions from other places that I was doing the shopping. I'll give you a couple of tips about the shopping in Buenos Aires or Argentina in general, and I hope that's going to be useful info. Now, we're not going to be focusing on the price that much. However, if you pause the clip, for example, here, you can check out those prices for different products or positions that you are interested in. We're not going to be focusing on the price tag only because if you're planning to go here to Buenos Aires, for example, and even in a week, 2 or a month, there's a big chance that the price for different products is going to change. I can tell you that, not from my personal experience, but from the perspective of different people who live here, they even experience the price change within one day. I've experienced the price change on the scale of 2 months, and you'll see in a couple of examples that I'm going to be talking about in this video. It's due to different experiments that are right now going on, let's put it this way, in economy of Argentina, but I'm not sure those all those actions are going to be only positive to Argentina. And I can tell that when I arrive, for example, for $1 you could receive 1,350 pesos. Now it's for $1 it's 1,200 pesos, which means pesos taken back and getting stronger, which is obviously much better for local economy. Except there's also Koto supermarket, Jumbo supermarket, Carrefour supermarket. However,
Found this Vea supermarket or the grocery store, the most popular one. Usually they have everything you need, but they are very small, cozy, so you're not gonna find some exclusive stuff or something like hummus. Let's put it this way: you're not gonna find hummus that easy. Boom. Fine. Hummus. Interesting options here for vegetarians.
I also noticed they have interesting size of a beer can. It says right here 710 cubic centimeters, which is like something like 200 grams more than regular 0.5 milliliters beer.
Another day, and I'm gonna go for groceries. I would like to eat some soup, but thing is I don't have pan. So I'm looking for a pan in a surrounding area where I live, and it's like a mission impossible because there is no pan, and I would like to eat some soup. And the pan that I have in my Airbnb is like for 1.5 maybe portion or something like that. And I would like to make some soup, so I could eat a couple of days, would have saved me some time and money. Anyway, I spent already like half an hour, checked 3 different supermarkets and even small shops. There is no pan, like, am I calling it right? Like, not the fry pan, but the pan, the reservoir for boiling the water or soup or whatever. What's going on, Buenos Aires?
There's also another type of supermarkets, they call them Chino. They are not like a chain markets that you would have find in your big city, but they more like smaller groceries that you can find around the corner. So even in those, I was checking if there was a pan, and I couldn't find. I found pan Eventually, only after few days, few blocks from my Airbnb, and in one random small shop, which was not even on the radar, was not on Google. It was just like, the shop with different utensils, let's put it this way. However, the cheapest pan was almost $30, and I was like, no, I'm not ready for that investment for 1 month Airbnb renting. So I end up sticking to the pan that I have already in my Airbnb. Now, a little glimpse on coffee, which in Argentinian supermarkets does not have that much of a variety, what I noticed. And here is a simple example of a price change within 1 month.
6.8. 1 month ago, I bought for 4.
Now, among the instant coffee, I found two kinds of coffee which I try. So the first one was in this economy pack, which also was nice because they were encouraging use your old jar. So that's the coffee I try, and I like it. And also I tried this Nescafe, which was not my favorite one. A little tip for you: if at the end you're already at the cashier zone and you don't have the cash with you, you want to use your card, please make sure that you have your ID, or the passport number, because for you to use your credit card or debit card, you need to provide that information in most of the supermarkets.
Alright, so I finish with my purchases here. That's how much I got. Here you go, and it cost 62,000 pesos, which is a little bit over $50, let's say like that, as of now.
And now we're gonna head back to my Airbnb, and I'm gonna break down position by position or product by product what exactly did I purchase and how much does it cost.
Alright, so this is all I got. Take a lot of popcorn. Alright, some mozzarella, some other cheese. I also got this blue cheese. That's the price. That's the price here. There you go. This one, don't remember, I think it was under $1, but a very nice quality. And I tried most of the corns are popping. Hummus, haven't tried this one yet. I hope it's nice, but to be honest, I haven't eaten nice hummus in Latino America yet. Alright, I want to do something with those champignons. Alright, this is for my veggie burgers. Veggie burger, there's two of them here. Try this one. This one is very nice. It's very solid. Here you go. Also, there's some snacks. This is crackers, galetitas, some chips as well. Here you go. Salsa. It's barbecue sauce for meat, but I'm gonna use it with my veggie burger. It's gonna be nice and delicious, and yeah, a little bit of Stella Artois without alcohol. Here you go. I think this was like 8-ish. And it's less than a half liter. All right. So that's all. Costs 62 blah blah blah. And here's the itemized receipt. Stella Artois. Oh, okay. I think this is like a discount, -3. Yes, thank you very much. Barbecue sauce 2.9. Burger for 2 of them. I pay, oh, all right, almost $10. What is that? This is hummus, I believe. All right, for almost 3 papas. This is these or these. Here you go. Mozzarella, cheese,
This is 50% off. Oh wow, 50% off on all of the popcorns. I love it. Okay, thank you very much. This is another papa fritas, the chips. There's another cheese, the hummus. Oh, I thought that was hummus. There was chips as well. Chips with hummus flavor. And two more things, or three more things here. Oh, this is for 1.5. I believe it's this. Forgot to mention vanilla for my coffee. There you go. And then Providen. The heck is that? I'm not sure. And the last thing is Laminado Porto for 5. I'm not sure what it is. All this last position, it's should be this. Snacks. That's all I got for, again, 62,000 pesos, which is going to be approximately, as of now, 50, probably 53 dollars. Another day and another purchase. So I got a water. This is cucumbers, tomatoes, a bit of fruits, mandarinas and apples. Here is lettuce, onion, potato, 3 avocado. So for all this, I pay 20.5 thousand pesos, which is 20 bucks, a little less than that. Hey, look, this is another time that I went to the same supermarket, and that's what I got. Only 5 items, and that's what I paid. Water, non-alcoholic beer, bread. That's the first one was a box, a tissue box, then bread, and what the most expensive is this alfajor, and the total is 14 something, which is like 12 bucks. I would say it's not cheap at all.
I hope that was useful. I just show you briefly prices here, which are, to be honest, changing, as you notice, very quick. Even on that example with the coffee, which 1 month ago I purchased for 4,000 pesos. Now it costs 6.8. 1 month ago. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.